No? Dito tayo nak, no? Ito iba naman, may involved na fractions naman, no? Pero to madali lang to, no? Again, no? Pagsasamahin mo yung magkakapareho. These are both fractions, negative 1/2 and 2/2. They are both fractions. At ipagsamahin mo sila. This one, you will have to transpose to the other side. Ito naman, i-retain mo yung 4x, di ba? So, it will become 4x is equal to, ito lilipat mo sa kabila. Okay, 2/2, ilipat mo yung 1/2. Negative 1/2 magiging positive 1/2. So, let's continue. 4x. Similar fraction, what do you do with the denominator kapag ka-similar fraction? Just copy the denominator. Then add the numerator. Okay, 2 plus 1, 3. Diba? Okay. Next, ang gagawin mo will be divide, no? Divide both sides by 4 para yung 4x maging ano, no? Maging x. No? Eto, pag sinulat mo yan, it will appear like this, diba? Divided by 4. Okay? When you are dividing fractions, ano yung gagawin mo, diba? If this is x, 3/2, anong gagawin mo dun sa divisor? Kukunin mo yung inverse or baliktad ng invisor. If this is 4/1, it will become 1/4. Okay? Tsaka mo i-change yung operation from division to multiplication. Okay, gets? So, ano magiging value ng x natin? 3 times 1, it will be 3. 2 times 4, it will be 8. So, what is our x? Our x is 3/8. Dali lang, di ba? Ganun lang kadali.